I'm back, Jackhammer, introducing first, from London, England, representing the Boom Squad. Give it up for Legend Killer. Who's coming out next? His opponent, from London, England. Give it up for Dave in real life. And his opponent, from Belfast, Northern Ireland, representing the Boom Squad. Give it up for Crazy Keaton. There's only 2 men left. And his opponent, from Belfast, from Dublin, Ireland, he's the reigning and defending JWE European Champion. Give it up for Dylan McRae. And his opponent, from London, England, representing the Boom Squad, he is the man, the myth, the legend. Give it up for Dark Knight, yeah! And here we go. Dark Knight and Legend Killer going out of here. The 2 Irish, Keaton and Dylan, are going at it here now. Float over. Oh no, we went for the float over DDT on Legend Killer, but couldn't get it. Legend Killer's down. Dylan's beating the holy cannolis out of him. Oh, Legend Killer now. Dark Knight, sorry. Beating up on Keaton. Dylan. What a German suplex. Everybody led this Keaton Killer on the Dark Knight. Dave. Oh, Dave's still in. Holy sugar plum face. This ring is full of 5 men right now. And nobody's been eliminated yet. Dylan and Keaton are going at it here now. Dave and Dylan. Down goes Dylan. Dave and Keaton now. Keaton. Oh, knee to the gut. Keaton has Dylan up. Dylan reverses it into a DDT. Legend Killer has Dark Knight up against the ropes. He has him up. Can he eliminate him? Dylan's coming to help. And Dark Knight has been eliminated. Now we're down to 4. Belly to belly suplex here by Dylan onto Legend Killer. Dave has Keaton in the corner now. Chop, chop, chop like broccoli. Oh, Dylan now. Punch away on Legend Killer. Springboard cutter by Dylan onto Legend Killer. The European Unbreaker connects. Neck breaker by Dylan onto Legend Killer. Legend Killer now. Up against the ropes. Dylan. Can you get Legend Killer out of here? He's over the top. But not out. Legend Killer. No, he survives. Legend Killer is still in this. He's not giving up. He's got Dylan now. Into the corner. Chop, chop, chop like broccoli. And he punches Dylan right in the face. Down he goes. Keaton has Dave now. Say hello to Dr. Buckle. Dave's in trouble. Dave's in trouble. Keaton has him up. Can he eliminate him? Can he get him out? Heel hook applied there by Legend Killer on the Dylan. But Dave survives. Backbreaker. Keaton's down. A backbreaker by Legend Killer on the Dylan. Uh-oh. Legend Killer's punching Dylan. He picks him up, drops him down like a sack of potatoes. Dylan now has Legend Killer up. Hits him up the turnbuckle, drops him down. Uh-oh. TKO! Dylan's knocked out. Dylan is knocked out. He's not moving. Oh, he misses the splash there. Dave's in trouble. Uh-oh. The wicked stepsister being applied here by Dave. Onto Dave by Keaton. Dylan! Oh, Dylan survives again. Dylan's still in this. Dylan fighting back with elbow shots. Dylan drops Legend Killer. Legend Killer now grabs Dylan. Pulls him over. He's not eliminated. Dave in real life has been eliminated. Now we are down to 3. We're down to Legend Killer, Crazy Keaton, and Dylan. Dylan has Crazy Keaton on the top turnbuckle. Can he eliminate him? Can he get him out? Legend Killer standing back. No! Crazy Keaton survived. Float over DDT, but did not connect. Achilles lock applied. Keaton has on Dylan, but Dylan's fighting his way back out. Oh, we got blood! Keaton's bleeding. Keaton's bleeding. Oh, the wicked stepsister being applied to Legend Killer now by Dylan. He's gonna eat canvas, and he does. Legend Killer rolls up underneath the bottom rope. What a move there by Keaton. By Crazy Keaton, I mean. Oh, kick to the chest there. Keaton now has Dylan. Dylan gets picked up. Keaton drops him down into an armbar. Legend Killer standing back. He wants nothing to do with this battle. Keaton now goes after Legend Killer. Legend Killer picks Keaton up. Keaton reverses it. He has Legend Killer now. Oh, Legend Killer reverses it. Holy cannolis. Oh, Legend Killer drops down. Keaton in the corner. Dylan has him up. Keaton's in trouble. Can Dylan get rid of Crazy Keaton? Will Crazy Keaton survive? He survives. Float over DDT. He finally connects with it. Keaton hit was now on Legend Killer. Legend Killer now underneath the bottom rope. Oh, he's going for the arm breaker again. Connects. Dylan's in trouble. Keaton, springboard cutter. Keaton's busted open. Legend Killer has Keaton up. Hung him up the top rope. Down he goes. Hits the brogue. He hits the brogue. He hits it on Keaton too. On Crazy Keaton. A double brogue. Keaton now has Dylan. Dylan reverses it with elbow shots. Dylan now has Keaton. Dylan gets reversed. Dylan's still in this now. He might retain here. Legend Killer's in trouble. Legend Killer, hang on, dude. Legend Killer, hang on. Legend Killer's hanging on here. Can Keaton get him out? No. Legend Killer survives. Drops down by Dylan. The helicopter spin. He stomps in the back of the head. And he stomps him on his back. Dylan's going top. Leg drop. Oh. Keaton and Dylan going out of here now. Dylan reverses it. Into the Achilles lock by Dylan onto Crazy Keaton. Can Keaton get out of this? He has. He's punching Dylan right in the face. He's stomping on Dylan's leg. Keaton's still in this. Oh, Legend Killer's trying to get rid of Crazy Keaton. And he does. Crazy Keaton has been eliminated. We are down to 2. We're down to Legend Killer and Dylan. We're down to Legend Killer and Dylan. Dylan now. Gets reversed. Reverse. Uh-oh. Legend Killer now. Small package driver. Connects to Dylan. Legend Killer. Pick him up, Legend Killer. Legend Killer now. Dylan hits the plug. He hits the plug. Can he pick him up and get him out? He picks him up. Oh, Legend Killer's eliminated. Here is your winner. And still, the JWE European Champion, Dylan McRae. Congratulations, Dylan. Well deserved, my friend. I'll be back.